two! How are you guys feeling today? Are you happy? I hope you are all feeling great, okay? Guys, today is our class number 47, okay? Class number 47, alright? And before we start our class, I want to know a little bit about the weather. Let's take a look at the weather. Yes, vamos dar uma olhadinha? How is the weather today, grade 2? Can you go and look through your window? Olha lá pela sua janela. Can you go there to take a look? Para dar uma olhadinha? Is the weather sunny? Or rainy? Or cloudy? Or stormy? How is the weather today, guys? What about the temperature? Is it hot? No, right? Is it cold? Is it warm? How is the temperature? For me, the temperature is a little bit cold, right? Pouquinho frio, okay? And what about the day of the week? Do you know what day of the week is today? Qual é o dia da semana? Do you know? Let me help you, okay? Yesterday, guys, we had a live class, right? And this live class has a special name, nome especial, right? That is the Wednesday, right? So yesterday was Wednesday, okay? If yesterday was Wednesday, today is Thursday. Very good, everyone. Today is Thursday and we are going to have a science class, okay? And after our science class, we are going to have a little bit of arts, pouquinho de artes. We are going to make another craft, all right? I'm so excited. Let's go! So, do you remember the name of the chapter 2 from the science book? O nome do capítulo 2, chapter 2. Lá do science book. The name of the chapter 2 is habitats, right? We are talking about the habitats, os habitats, okay? And do you remember that we saw four different types of habitats? 4 tipos diferentes. We saw the forest, the wetlands, the deserts, and the ocean, right? 4 different types, 4 diferentes tipos de habitat. Okay, in the last science class, na última science class, we talked about the forest, right? Do you remember that? What animal we did? What was that animal? We made a fox, right? Uma raposa. And where does the fox live? Onde que a raposa mora? In the forest. Very good. So we talked about the forest. We saw that in the forest has many trees, muitas árvores, right? And plants. And we also saw that in the habitats, os animals e as plants têm tudo que eles precisam. Everything they need to survive, right? And what they need to survive? They need food, water, the plants need sunlight, they need space, air, right? And in the habitats, they have all that, tudo isso, okay? And the habitat that we are going to study today, okay, que nós vamos estudar hoje, is the wetlands, okay? We are going to study about the wetlands. And now we are going to take a look at our science book, lá no nosso livro de science, okay? So take your science book and let's go with me. Okay, guys, so here we are looking at the pages 34 and 35 from our science book. Okay, so please take your science book and open it on page 34 and 35. Ok? We are going to read this together. Ok? Nós vamos ler juntos. I'm going to read and you are going to repeat after. Ok? Ok, let's start. What is a wetland habitat? Repeat after me. What is a wetland habitat? Okay, very good. A wetland habitat is covered with water. Repeat after me. A wetland habitat is covered with water. Repeat the word wetlands. Let's go. Let's say it 3 times, 3 vezes. Wetlands. One more time. Wetlands. Last time. Wetlands. Very good. Let's continue. A wetland has food and water for animals. A wetland has shelter for animals. Let's repeat. A wetland has food and water for animals. A wetland has shelter for animals. So, remember when I said, quando a teacher falou, que lá nos habitats tem everything they need, tudo que eles precisam? Okay, so the wetland has food, water, and the shelter, right? Let's continue. Look at this picture of a wetland. Plants in these wetlands get sunlight. Repeat after me. Plants in these wetlands get sunlight. Okay, so the plants get the sunlight they need, right? A luz do sol. Very good. Now, right here. This wetland gets lots of rain in the summer. This wetland gets less rain in the winter. So, when it's summer, quando é verão, in the wetland gets lots of rain, bastante chuva. And when it's winter, no inverno, gets less rain, menos chuva. Ok? The winter is cooler than the summer. Repeat after me. The winter is cooler than the summer. Okay, very good. So, it's saying that no inverno é mais frio que no verão, than the summer. Okay, let's take a look at this animal right here. What animal is this? Qual é esse animal? It's a duck, right? Let's read this sentence. This duck lives in a wetland. Repeat after me. Repete depois da teacher. This duck lives in a wetland. Very good, everyone. Great job, guys. Okay, guys, now let's take a look at the page 35. Okay, page 35. Let's look right here. These animals that lives in the wetlands. What's the first one? The name is right here. Read there. Lê lá pra teacher. It's a heron. Okay, repeat. Heron. The next animal is a dragonfly. Repeat after me. Dragonfly. Very good. And the last animal that lives in the wetlands is the bullfrog. So it's a frog. Very good, guys. Okay. So let's look at this question right here. What does a duck get in a wetland? O que esse duck recebe lá na wetlands? The duck gets food, gets water, gets space, gets a shelter, right? The duck gets everything the duck needs to survive, né? Ok, tudo que o pato precisa para sobreviver, alright? And the question number 2, use pictures clues. So we have to look at the pictures to tell what animals live in the wetlands. So what animals can you see there? I can see 4 animals. Can you tell me? We can see a duck, the heron, the dragonfly, and the bullfrog. Very good, 4 animals. Great job, everyone. Guys, so here I have some pictures of a wetland, okay? Here we can see the wetlands here in this picture and also in this picture here, right? We can see some plants and we can see that the wetland is covered with water, right? Está coberta de water. And we can see some animals there, right? We can see the frog right here. Repeat with me, frog. Very good. We can see the crocodile. Can you see the crocodile? Can you say these words? Conseguem falar? Crocodile. Very good. And we also can see the duck. Repeat with me, duck. Very good. So let's describe a wetland habitat. Como que é esse habitat, a wetland? So the ground of the wetland habitat is covered with water, right? É coberto de água. Okay. With many plants and animals, right? We can see plants and we can see animals. Very good. It rains often in the summer, remember? Chove mais quando é o verão. And it's cooler in the winter. Very good. Guys, and why is the wetlands a good place for the duck? Bom lugar para o pato. Por quê? Why? Can you tell me? Because the ducks swim right in the water. Nadam. And the wetland is covered with water, right? And can you tell me the difference between the forest and the wetlands? Do you remember the forest? Was the forest covered with water? Lá na floresta é coberto de água? No, right? So the forest is not covered with water. Não é coberta de água. Very good, great job. All right, guys. So now we are going to go to the arts class, okay? Para a parte de artes. And we are going to do today one of the animals that we saw in our class. Dos animais que nós vimos. Can you guess what animal is it? Podem adivinhar qual vai ser o animal? Será que vai ser o duck? It's going to be the... Dun, 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 dun. It's going to be the frog. Yes, it's going to be the frog. And we are going to do a frog origami. Origami. Do you know what is an origami? Yes. So you can prepare your material. That is going to be a paper, okay? Papel. If you have a green paper, papel verde, because the frog is green, right? You can use. If you don't have, no problem, okay? You can use a white paper, papel branco, or any color, okay? Qualquer cor de paper, de papel, all right? And in the beginning of the origami, lá no comecinho, you are going to need your ruler, a sua régua, and also your scissors, ok? A sua tesoura. Alright? And that's it. We only need três materiais. Alright? I'm going to show you the video, ok? Vídeo teaching you how to do this frog. Ok? Ensinando como fazer esse frog origami. Alright? Let's do it? Ok. Guys, so this paper you are going to cut com 15 centímetros, ok? Então, vai ter 15 centímetros. You are going to use your ruler, ok? A régua. So, use your ruler para medir 15 centímetros e no outro lado 15 centímetros, ok? You can ask your mommy or your daddy, someone in your family to help you, ok? Para ajudar você. So it's going to be 15 centimeters here and 15 centimeters here. 15 centímetros e 15 centímetros. Alright? You can pause the video, podem pausar o vídeo and cut. Alright? This part you are going to fold and unfold, ok? Vocês vão dobrar e desdobrar. If you need more time, you can pause the video, ok? Podem pausar o vídeo um pouquinho. It's starting to look like a frog, right? Começando a parecer um frog. Look. Fold the left and the right side, a esquerda e a direita. Frog finishes. Did you like the frog, guys? Yes? We can play with this frog, right? Because it's a jumping frog. This frog can jump really high, bem alto, right? Okay. I did a frog too, okay? And I'm going to show you my frog now, all right? Okay, let's see if it's going to jump. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, did you see that I made a brown frog? Yes, my frog is brown. What color is your frog? What's the color? A cor. You can use any paper, okay? Qualquer cor de papel. Alright? So today we did the frog that is an animal that lives in the... What's the type of the habitat? Qual é o tipo do habitat? In the wetlands. Repeat with me. Wetlands. Very good, guys. So the activity for today, I want you to record a video, ok? A teacher quer que vocês gravem vídeo of you playing with your frog, ok? Brincando com o seu frog. Because I want to see what color is your frog. I want to see if your frog is jumping, okay? All right. So here is my frog, all right? Say bye-bye, frog. Bye-bye, grade 2. Okay, guys, I will see you again tomorrow, okay? Record your video, gravem o vídeo and send to me in Clip Escola, ok? Mandem lá para a teacher no Clip Escola. And don't forget about the wetland habitats, okay? That is the habitat that we studied today, okay? O tipo de habitat que nós estudamos hoje. Alright, I will see you tomorrow in our live class. Stay safe. Bye bye.